All right, first graders, today we're going to do our fast math, number 10. Make sure that you are on the one with the bus and the number 10 on the bus. So looking at number 1 says, put an X on the triangle. So go ahead and do that now. Number 2 says, circle the correct answer to these problems. The first one is 4 plus 2. So of these numbers, what's the answer to 4 plus 2? Circle the number that's the answer to 4 plus 2. The second part says 8 plus 1. So circle the correct answer to 8 plus 1. The next part says, what number comes next? So 17, what comes after 17? Write the next one. What comes after 8? Write the next one. And keep doing that. Push pause if you need to finish that part. Then down below it says Tony had 4 pencils. She bought 3 more. Now, how many pencils does Tony have? If you remember how to fill this out, go ahead and do that part now. All right, we are going to correct ours together. Push pause if you're not quite ready to correct it, and then push play once you're ready. So then the first one was put an X on the triangle. Here's our triangle. The next one said, what's the answer to 4 plus 2? So if you have 4 and you add 2 more, 4, 5, 6. The answer is 6. The next one said 8 plus 1. So if I have 8 and I count 1 more, my answer is 9. Oh. Good. So the one that comes next, so after 17, I say 18. After 8, I say, you got it, 9. After 13 comes 14. After 5 comes 6. And after 15 comes 16. After 11 comes 12. All right, the next part. So Tony had 4 pencils. She bought 3 more. So there's our keyword more. Now, how many pencils does Tony have? So since we found our keyword is more, that means we are going to, you got it, add. What are the numbers we know? If you said 4 and 3, you are correct. We then know the numbers 4 and 3. So the next part is, what's our addition sentence going to look like? So we are going to start with 4. We are adding, so we put our plus sign. 3, and then that equals a certain number. So let's try that right now. If I have 4, and I'm going to count on 3 more. 4, 5, 6, 7. So Tony, so I'm going to write my full sentence. Tony, Tony, has, Has, 7 pencils. And do not forget your period at the end. Very nice. Good job, first graders. See you tomorrow.